Chinga Kisii ya County Nyamira umuterene bw'umurobiri okorekana soko nyarako gusangirira kwe birangererio oyibono oromo gwimenrepe County ya Kisumu Ruth Odinga nigatebe n'enchiremo yo konyarako hano kogoni kumanyeki abananchi batagete batebino n'inkolengana ne katiba igore budget yo mwaka w'ekirwe na 2024 ko mwaka w'ekirwe na 2025 2024-2025 budget nigo chinga Kisii kati y'abarebe batebu nambagendera ko tariki county chense liko ne kibuna ngomanyabare ninki y'Abakenya nabo chinsem ani chi county baganiti asokonyera kwegendera se budget y'umwaka oyo.
We had a very interactive session with all of them. Now, normally as in public participation, you know what they have come up with are the things we are going to try to see that we get for them to be done in the year 24-25 budget allocation. We will choose from some of the issues, the areas that they wanted, especially it seems like in Nyamira, there's a lot to do with roads that have not been done, and that the allocation also, they felt that Nyamira is not being given the correct amount of allocation that it's supposed to get.
What we are doing is not just a PR, but we are fulfilling the requirement of the Constitution. In the last year's budget, all the projects which were proposed from the public participation have been financed, I can assure you that. And even this year's, that is the first charge we do as the budget committee, because there's no need of spending public money going to 20 counties and then we don't implement.
I want to thank the members of public and media for turning up to voice our concerns. And it is projects like this which are spoken by our lips that get their place in the Appropriation Act before the National Treasury sources money to finance these projects. I'm so delighted that we have had the opportunity now to ring-fence some of the projects that previously would otherwise not have got their way to the Appropriation Act.